Welcome to EC Researcher, where we simplify complex technologies and bring them closer to you. Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating topics shaping our future, the Internet of Things, or IoT. From smart homes to industrial automation, IoT is transforming our lives. In this video, we'll break down what IoT is, how it works, the different types of IoT, real-life applications, its benefits and challenges, and what the future holds for IoT. Let's begin with a simple thought. Imagine your coffee machine starting to brew as soon as your alarm goes off, or your smartwatch notifying you to take a walk after sitting for too long. Sounds futuristic? That's the magic of IoT, a technology that connects the physical world to the digital one, making our lives smarter, faster, and more efficient. Let's dive in. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network of devices that connect to the Internet to collect, exchange, and act on data. These devices, or things, can range from everyday objects like your phone or thermostat to complex industrial machines. IoT makes devices smart by enabling them to communicate with each other and with you. In simpler terms, IoT connects devices to each other and to the Internet, creating a network that works intelligently. For example, your smart home lights turning on as you approach your house, or a factory machine alerting the operator about maintenance needs. Let's break down how IoT works. Data collection. IoT devices like sensors collect data from their environment. Connectivity. This data is sent via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, or other communication protocols to a central platform or cloud. Processing. The data is analyzed using software or AI to generate insights. Action devices then act on this data, like adjusting the thermostat or notifying you about an issue. This continuous loop of sensing, analyzing, and acting is what makes IoT so powerful. Now, IoT is not just one technology, it's a collection of applications across various fields. Here are the main types of IoT: consumer IoT, devices for personal use like smart homes, wearables, and voice assistants. Examples: Alexa, Google Home, and fitness trackers. Industrial IoT, or IoT, used in industries to monitor equipment and optimize production. Examples: factory sensors, predictive maintenance tools. Healthcare IoT, or IoMT, medical devices for patient monitoring and diagnostics. Examples: wearable heart monitors, smart insulin pumps. Smart cities IoT for urban infrastructure like traffic control, waste management, and public safety. Examples: smart traffic systems, air quality monitors. Agricultural IoT, enhancing farming through smart irrigation and crop monitoring. Examples: GPS-enabled tractors, soil sensors. Now that you know the types, let's explore some real-life IoT applications that are changing the game. Smart homes. Smart homes make life convenient by automating tasks. Examples: Alexa controlling lights, Nest thermostats learning your preferences. Healthcare. IoT is revolutionizing healthcare with devices like wearables and remote monitoring tools. Examples: Fitbit, tracking health metrics, telemedicine platforms connecting patients to doctors. Industrial IoT. Factories use IoT for predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and saving costs. Examples: smart sensors on machinery, robotic arms for assembly. Smart cities. Cities are using IoT to solve urban problems like traffic congestion and waste management. Examples: smart traffic lights, optimizing flow, air quality sensors, monitoring pollution. Agriculture. IoT helps farmers grow smarter by automating water usage and tracking crop health. Examples: drones monitoring crops, soil sensors for precision farming. The advantages of IoT are truly transformative. Automation devices perform tasks without human input. Cost savings reduces resource wastage like energy or water. Real-time monitoring tracks devices and systems instantly. Improved safety alerts users to risks like health anomalies or equipment failures. Personalization adapts to user preferences, making life more convenient. But IoT isn't without its challenges. Security risk devices can be vulnerable to hacking. Privacy concerns. IoT collects a lot of sensitive data. Compatibility issues. Devices from different manufacturers may not work together. And data overload. Managing huge amounts of data can be overwhelming. The future of IoT is exciting. 5G networks will make IoT faster and more efficient. AI integration will make devices smarter, predicting and solving problems before they occur. Blockchain technology will enhance security and transparency. IoT will power autonomous vehicles, fully connected smart cities, and even space exploration. That's the Internet of Things, a technology that's shaping our future in incredible ways. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to ESA Researcher for more tech insights. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments which IoT application are you most excited about. Thank you for watching ESA Researcher. Stay curious, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video.